This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check settings about phone for model and Android version, and confirm at least 10% free storage so logs can save. Next, reproduce the issue once to capture exact steps. This prevents chasing symptoms. Then restart the device and try to reproduce again. If it persists, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so you can pull logs with ADB. These initial checks narrow causes quickly and prepare you for targeted fixes. Once done with diagnostics, isolate the failing component. Clear cache and data for the specific app, then force stop and relaunch it to see if behavior changes. If the problem could be system level, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps interfering. Make one change at a time, update the app or roll back to an earlier version if available, or apply the latest firmware patch if Samsung released one. After each action, reproduce the bug to confirm whether the fix worked or introduced new issues. If the bug remains after targeted steps, back up your data immediately with Smart Switch or Cloud Backup, then perform a factory reset as a last resort because it removes software-level corruption. Once reset, restore selectively and test before reinstalling everything. If problems persist post-reset, collect ADB logcat output and screenshots to document the issue, and contact Samsung support or a service center for hardware diagnosis. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see hardware-like symptoms, avoid multiple resets. Get professional diagnostics early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.